In this video, I draw two rhombus, question number 13 and 14 and 15 and 16. Construction of quadrilateral, exercise 17b. So first question, number 13, draw a rhombus. One of the side is 4 cm, that means all the sides are 4 cm, and one of the diagonal is 6.5 cm. So how to draw this rhombus? So first I draw a line segment or ray. Then this is the point A and this is the point X. Now with the measurement of the line segment AB, here AB 4 cm, taking A as a center, cut this line segment. So this is the point B, 4 cm. This is the point B, it is 4 cm. Now with the same measurement AB 4 cm, taking B as a center, draw this arc, and with the measurement of AC 6.5 cm, taking A as a center, draw this arc. So this is the point C. Now joint BC and AC diagonal. Now we know that all the sides of the rhombus are equal, so it is 4 cm, and with the measurement of the line segment AB 4 cm, taking A as a center, draw this arc, and with the same measurement, taking B as a center, draw this arc. So this is the point D. Now joint CD and AD. So this is the rhombus ABCD, where all the sides are 4 cm and diagonal AC equal to 6.5 cm. Next question number 14. Here also draw a rhombus. All the sides is 7.2 cm and one of the angle A is 60 degree. So first I draw a ray. This is the point A, X. Now with the measurement of AB 7.2 cm, taking A as a center, draw this arc. So this is the point B. Now draw an angle 60 degree at the point A. With the same radius, draw this arc. So this is the point, this is the angle 60 degree. Join these two points and extend the line. So this is the angle 60 degree. Now we know that all the sides of the rhombus are equal. So with the measurement of AB 7.2 cm, with the same measurement, so this is the point A, B, this is the point C, and it is D. So this is the required rhombus ABCD where all the sides are 7.2 centimeter, 7.2 centimeter, 7.2 centimeter, 7.2 centimeter, and one of the angle is 60 degree. Next, question number 15. Here draw a trapezium where AB 6 centimeter, CD 3.2 centimeter, angle B equal to 70 degree, and another non-parallel side 4 centimeter, and AB parallel CD it is given. So first, that means here two parallel sides are given and one of the non-parallel sides are given and one of the angle is given. So first draw a line segment. Let this is the point A. Now with the measurement of AB 6 centimeter, taking A as a center, so this is the point B. Now draw an angle, draw an angle 75 degree at the point B. Here it is not mentioned that the angle 70 degree drawn by without projector, so I use projector. You may also use projector, or also you may do it by compass. So 75 degree, this is 75 degree angle. Now cut the measurement BC with the measurement of BC 4 centimeter, taking B as a center. Cut this line segment. So this is the point C. This is the point C. Now draw a line through the point C parallel to AB. So we are trying to draw a parallelogram with the measurement of BC, taking B as a center. Draw this arc, and with the measurement of AB, taking C as a center, draw this arc. So if I join these 2 points, then these 2 lines are parallel. So these 2 lines are parallel, but it is not the point D. Now with the measurement of CD, 3.2 centimeter, taking C as a center, cut this arc. So this is the point D. This point only for draw a parallel line. Draw a line parallel to AB. Now join AD. So this is the required parallelogram ABCD, where AB equal to 6 centimeter, angle B equal to 75 degree, line segment BC equal to 4 centimeter, and angle CD equal to 3.2 centimeter. This point only for, we find this point only for draw this line which is parallel to AB. Next, question number 16. Draw a trapezium where one of the parallel sides are given, ABCD trapezium. Here it is not mentioned ABCD trapezium. Here is also only given the one of the parallel side is given and 2 non-parallel sides are given, and the angle is given 60 degree. So we mentioned the name of the trapezium is ABCD. So one of the parallel side is 7 centimeter AB, 2 non-parallel sides are also given, and one of the angle is given. So first I draw this line. Consider this is the point A. Now with the measurement of AB 7 centimeter, taking A as a center, draw this arc. So this is the point B, and it is 7 centimeter. Now draw an angle 60 degree at the point B. So join these 2 points. So this is the angle 60 degree. Now with the measurement of BC 5 centimeter, taking B as a center, cut this line segment. This is the point C. Now draw a line through the point C parallel to AB. So we try to draw a parallelogram. So with the measurement of BC, taking A as a center, draw this arc, and with the measurement of AB as radius 7 centimeter, taking B as a center, draw this line arc. So this is the point of intersection. Now if I join these 2 points, so this line is parallel to AB. This point of intersection only for draw a line through the point C which is parallel to AB. This is not the point D. So now with the measurement of AD, taking A as a center, draw this arc. So again we need extend the side, this side. So this is the point of intersection and this is the point D. Now joint AD, so this is the required trapezium. AB parallel DC, AB equal to 7 centimeter, angle B equal to 60 degree, BC equal to 5 centimeter, and AD equal to 6.5 centimeter. Thank you.